In this rusty old tin from the 1930s are loads of old recipes and newspaper clippings that are almost 100 years old, and I have no idea what's on any of them. I'm Christine, and I'm going to let fate decide my next cooking project. Each week I'll draw a recipe from this tin or one of my many vintage recipe books and whip up a surprise for us all. So I've got tons of awesome vintage cookbooks in English and in German, and together we're going to find vintage recipes from the Great Depression and maybe even some bizarre flops. I think I'll draw the line at brains and tongues and lungs and things like that. I don't think that's something that I'm capable of cooking, but whatever we make, hopefully my partner Chris will be the taste tester for us. Now, I don't want to just cook the recipes that I have available to me. I want to make yours too. Drop your grandmother's favourite recipe in the comments below or send me an email. The link for the email is in the About section of the channel, and I might just pull yours out and make it up as well. Welcome to Christine's Vintage Recipes. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on an episode, and we'll do some kitchen time travelling together. See you soon.